afternoon, dear cadets. Today we are going to discuss exercise 2.2. So exercise 2.2 is about finding the squares of different numbers. So what is square? If the number is multiplied by itself, then the product is known as square. If we multiply same number with that number, then the product which is given, which is known, and then that product is called square of that numbers. Example is here, if we multiply 3 by 3, means same numbers is multiplied, then it becomes 3 power 2. These two represent the square of 3. Means this is a square of 3. 3 square is equals to 9. So question number first is find the square of 7. So for finding the square of 7, first multiply 7 into 7. 7 multiplied by 7. So 7 multiplied by 7 means 7 square. So which is equals to 49. So our answer is 49. So next move to part number 2. Find the square of 25. Square of 25 means 25 power 2. 25 power 2 means 25 square. 25 squares, 25 multiplied by 25. Power 2 means 25 power 1, 25 power 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 25 multiplied by 25, which is equals to 625. So the square of 25 is equals to 625. So these are the methods for finding the square of numbers. So next, our question is write the summation pattern of the square. Summation pattern. If we have to find the square pattern or summation pattern of squares, if here is number 6, so we start that numbers from 1 to 6. 1 plus. Here is summation pattern, so that's why we put here plus. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6. If here is number 3, so 1, 2, 3 right here. If here is number 6, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6. Increase from 1 to 6, now decrease from 6 to 1. 6 plus 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. 6 square. Start from 1 to 6. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6. Now decrease from 6 to 1. 6 plus 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. So the sum is 36. So this is the summation pattern of 6 square. So now if we want to find the square of 4 square, then we write same in same sequence. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus decrease 3 plus 2 plus 1. 4 square, 1 to 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, then decrease plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. So the sum is 16, which is the square of 4. So these are the method which we are using in exercise 2.2. So the remaining question you have to do your